Regardless of age and health status, anyone can make huge strides with a positive attitude. I'm going to say that again. Anyone, even in memory care. In fact, memory care was our first customer. If a resident can stand, S3 is ideal to cut falls and boost independence, especially for those with a cane, walker, wheelchair, Parkinson's, all of these. Basically, the more dependent the resident, the more they need S3, because the more they're up, the fewer resources they'll use. In memory care, assisted living, independent living, skilled nursing, and even long-term care. The hardest part is getting started. But with us, it's easy.